By the end of today's Marketing Mastery Coach session, you are going to have built your unique selling proposition. You're going to have built your irresistible offer, and you will have built your massive action pulse, your massive action plan. So it's a 3-pronged process. I created something when I launched a course that's called the Grand Lawyer Marketing Plan, which is one of the first courses I ever launched, or the first course I ever launched. That course, I created a concept that's called the Word Alignment Marketing Method, the WAM method, which stands for Word Alignment Marketing. Essentially, what that means is where you align the words that your clients are typing in, otherwise known as, market research, like what words are going through your clients' brains to express their demand for your services, and you align your unique selling proposition to that, okay? So this is the second session of Marketing Mastery Coach, which is separate from SMB Elite Management Coach, okay? So today's lesson will be on 3 things. Number 1 is the whole thing is the irrefutable USP, irresistible offer, and massive action formula. 3 prongs: USP, offer, massive action, okay? So this is what we're going to build today. Now, for those of you who are like, irresistible offer, why would we do that? Okay. Well, I'm giving you $20,000 today. Hello, did I get your attention? I'm giving you 20 grand today, just like that. Does anyone want to know where I got that math? Look at where the arrow is pointing. This is why people don't do stuff like this. People don't do like unique selling proposition formation, creating new and better offers, because you don't know it's a $10,000 an hour task. Okay. So we're hammering 2 in one session. This is the thing that has the ROI on every move you make in your marketing. If you don't have a unique selling proposition, your marketing won't work. If you're just another so-and-so, your marketing will not work as well. Okay. This is a constant battle. I am not going to sell you smoke here and make you think that you're just going to have a perfect, completely finished unique selling proposition and then it's done. You never need to look at it again. No. We'll get draft 1 today. We'll get draft 1 built today. But it's an always iterating process. It is a process of self-discovery, self-awareness, painful truths where you have to confront your delusional beliefs around what you think you are, but the marketplace doesn't see you that way. Yeah, I'm talking that. That's where you really, really find what your unique selling proposition is and your offer. So I'm going to bring you through literally the offer creation formula, everything: bonuses, risk reversal, packaging, what's called the value stack. You're going to learn all the secret Jedi offer creation tricks. But first, we got to pull stuff out of your heart. Now, those of you who have been through the Grand Lawyer Marketing Plan before, you're going to remember this. And we're going to hit a very emotional place because I got to get you back to why you do what you do. It's the top thing in your USP that should permeate through every piece of your brand. But we're focusing on $10,000 an hour tasks. And the battle is right here. The $10 an hour tasks are yelling at you right now. We're protecting you right now to walk away with 20 grand in your hand. All right. But I need you to see the 20 grand so that it materializes. Got it? Okay. So number 1 marketing rule you can never violate is this: marketing begins with understanding the needs and wants of your customer, not by putting up a website and advertisements first. People do the opposite most times. People go blah, 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 blah. Okay. You want to sign up? The highest value task you could ever do is pick up the freaking phone and call one of your clients. That's a $20,000 an hour task if it's infused with a researcher's mindset. As soon as you get out of the game and you lose connection with your clients' fears, frustrations, wants, and aspirations, as soon as you lose empathy for your client's fears, you will market to yourself. This is the irrefutable unique selling proposition formula. It's a 4-step process. I am so excited to walk you through this because I haven't done this in like almost 11 months since I did the Grand Lawyer Marketing Plan. It is a step-by-step process where you're going to go from zoomed out to a codified package system of your unique selling proposition. All right, so we're going to go through this process and you're going to walk away with the first version of your unique selling proposition. So here we go. Fears, frustrations, wants, and aspirations. This is the first step to crafting a unique selling proposition. Okay, you start with empathy. Okay. I learned this from Eben Pagan. I spent, I don't know, $5,000 on a course from him when I was just getting started with marketing. And he taught me this powerful, powerful lesson. If everyone could just mute out real quick, getting a little bit of noise. He taught me this powerful lesson. And I was so scared when I learned this lesson. I was afraid to pick up the phone and interview clients. Oh, is it going too deep? Is it too invasive? Dude, you ask people these questions, they will open up like you've never imagined. Nobody asked them these questions. We have clients of ours who have embedded this into their sales process. Literally enforced this, where a lead comes in, consultation happens, and during the process of taking a lead to a signed client, they will send this as an attachment in their emails and say, please fill out our FFWA worksheet. The client will reply back. This can be done on the phone. This can be done via email. Right there, you now have the ammunition to have an autopilot market research system that works 24/7, 365 for you. Now, when I taught this a year ago, people got real excited about it and then didn't systemize it into their business model. I'm going to say this again, guys. I have 12 months of experience now rolling this out. Hundreds and hundreds of successful business owners use this. This is the main problem. I'm telling you, this is the answer to you finding untapped gold in your marketing. I'm telling you this, and you're going to feel good and go, wow, this is great. FFWA, so cool. If it doesn't get systemized into your sales process, it will not become an autopilot research mechanism for all of your marketing. You know, a lot of times we as experts in XYZ area, we make assumptions about our clients. However, you're in a different situation than we are, right? So I like to ask some questions about what you're really going through here so that I can better serve you. So when you were searching for X solution, what were some of the fears you kept running into? What were the things you're most concerned about in making this decision to choose us? This becomes an assumptive sales tactic. You're assuming they've already chose you. What were your fears before you chose us? Right? Now that's a side benefit. That's not why you want to do this, as you want to do this for real market research, right? Now, most times you have to probe 2 to 3 layers deep to get the truth from this. Oh, the fear was cost, money. Nah, I understand that. We've heard that before, but seriously, what was the fear around the money? Was it that the result wasn't going to be, was it this? Was it that you didn't think it was going to work? That think you're going to get ripped off? Well, I guess then you'll get a real fear the second or third time, right? Literally pay attention to the tone of voice. Pay attention to the emotional ups and downs when someone responds to these. Record it if you can. Watch their facial expressions. Watch what they really say, which is usually not the words. Watch where they stumble over their words, where they maybe lie to you. The unspoken objection is the gold of content marketing.